Hi, this is Bob from Brightway Supply.
Hold on, Bob. Hold on. We need better lighting. Go.
You know, today I wanted to talk about something that I've been looking forward to. And obviously, as you can see from the beginning of this video, it's improving the lighting in my garage. You know, until recently, it really hasn't paid to replace these efficient T8 fluorescents with LEDs, even when you consider the rebates offered by many utilities. The numbers just didn't work. However, that's all changed. And just like my collection of old international pickups have grown over time, so have these storage facilities. Today, modern garages have higher ceilings and allow storage of a lot more items. In fact, I could store 4 pickups in the floor space of just 2. Now, these high ceilings also provide some challenges for lighting. The same light mounted 8 feet off the floor will actually illuminate this truck better than one mounted 18 feet. But we did a lighting survey, picked a fixture, and today we're going to install it. So come on along. Marty, let's get this stuff out of here.